Before summer arrives, the highly praised pair has been spotted wearing outfits that feature laser blue in contrast to its counterpart, which has a slightly different football gray, laser blue, white and vapor green finish. The mainline model has a gray, Copa, vapor green and laser blue color. For a medley of warm weather-friendly colors, both couples opt for a subdued background. Additionally, the cushioning solutions have green and laser blue hues beneath the foot. Contributing to the Slovenian star's legacy inside Team Jumpman are design elements that draw inspiration from Dončić's journey, such as compass-inspired branding. Take pleasure in official look of Jordan Luka. Over the next months, Jordan or Nike.com will carry the pairs. At about $105, the Luka. 77 provides excellent performance, while the Luka 4 retails for $135.